How would you like to have the perfect outdoor stove, the best fire pit, and the greatest barbecue you could possibly have? Now, how would you feel when you have all that combined in one single product? Meet the FYRO Stove, a patent-pending biomass stove designed in Germany.
Hi, I'm Dieter.
And I'm Tania.
And today we will show you how you can take your outdoor cooking experience to the next level.
How about inviting friends for a great garden party, cooking all day long during your camping trip, or going out and staying away as long as you like without worrying about fuel supply? Actually, you can use your FYRO Stove with logs, pellets, natural wood, or even shrubs and reed. Just set up your FYRO Stove anywhere, on soft and on hard ground, and the grass beneath it is always left unharmed. The FYRO Stove is developed for real cooking. With the long burn time, precise adjustment, and high peak power, you can prepare a sophisticated meal for a large group of people and grill without fat dripping on the coal. When it's time to eat, just open your FYRO Stove and use it as a fire pit. Sit back and enjoy a comfortable evening by the fire. Since with the FYRO Stove you have all that combined in one product, you will save space. You can save your gas supply for heating and fridge during your camping trip and simply enjoy cooking outdoors. All that with much less dirt than a campfire. You leave no trace behind except a small handful of ashes. And let's be honest, cooking with fire is just much more fun.
Now, let me show you what makes the FYRO Stove so special. Our goal was to build a self-stabilizing stove just with physical feedback effects without any fans or electronics. The stove has three main components: the primary combustion chamber, where the fuel load burns, the air preheater on the front, and the secondary combustor that you place on the stove like a lid. A patent-pending combination of mixing nozzle, adjustment valve, and injection pump gives the stove its special properties. First, it stabilizes the output power. Second, it allows you to adjust the power by a factor of 3 in an instant. Third, it gives you a clean flame by drawing air through the preheater tube. With these features, you can take on any cooking challenge. We've put a lot of thought into choosing the perfect materials for each part. The black enameled steel gives us a shiny surface that is very robust. Durable anodized aluminum for the shields gives a nice contrast. The insulation is a special bioresorbable ceramic fiber composite. With the pot holder, we spent a surprising amount of work to make it simple and compatible with pots of all shapes and sizes. The folding legs firmly lock in place through lever action, and the stove passes a tipping test with flying colors. The production version of the stove will get an improved adjustment mechanism. The cover will fold open so that you have some extra shelf space.
This is where we are now. We have chosen to bring the biggest FYRO Stove to the market because it's the most powerful and fun one. It's perfect for groups and parties.
The technology is ready, we have a working prototype, and we want to make absolutely sure that you will receive the highest quality FYRO Stove on time. Now, to move to the production phase, which requires expensive tooling, we need your help.
So back this Kickstarter campaign and be among the first people in the world to have your very own FYRO Stove.
Help us bring the stove to the market, move your cooking outdoors, and show your guests and family a great time.
Yeah.